Okay, I'm going to draw Toothless sitting on Hiccup's head. Toothless is Hiccup's very disobedient hunting dragon. And this is him. This is a typical Toothless action, by the way, to come and sit on Hiccup's head. This is his, yeah, there he is. Those are his legs, his tail, and his spines. And yet he's just landed on top of Hiccup's helmet, like that. Here. And Hiccup typically is looking a little dubious about the whole thing. Toothless is based on my cats, Lily and Baloo, a mixture of my cats, Lily and Baloo, and my children when they were 2, talking to my children when they were 2. Actually, I made him happy here rather than dubious. Oh, look, I can just change it. Look, there we go. Very easy just to change it. Yes, as I say, he's based on my children when they were 2, and my cats who are extremely disobedient, Lily and Baloo. And I try and draw in this very scribbly kind of a way, and to make it look like the kind of a drawing that a child could do, because I think that's what makes it very accessible for children, if they feel it's something that they could do, and almost like it's graffiti and has been drawn by Hiccup himself, and getting a lot of emotion in the drawing. You see Toothless looking very pleased with himself. There you go.